Uem lagi makorwat ba Renikton el tongka loong ba kidon ki Kmie pa pedang kijing seng udom mar kijing seng bitar bar kijing seng kutlan kira kaput ilaki Khun ki bangop hau Droks habashi menta khanyi tai halo Drok hapo king robot hau an mata kasngi ka khandai tarik unai lo aja pesan uba Renikton loong ba kidon ki Kmie pa ki ba seng utai ban sedeng ilaki Khun ki bangop hau Drok kira kaput bat ailat khanang Katba ki kwa ban di ban injek Haduh bakin dayap no sendon kani kalau ngebas nusi bukan long Haduh ni uput ha kajuk kapol ba Renikton lo penpau kajing bom ihap ia kajing keren ha ki program pensiai paj ba halo Drok nama ba don ki ba keren ki ba yathu khana penban bau dei umar ba lador ba bat pendus pa ha kajika ban ai ki hikai ba penting ke ba penkendit ya ki samla ula kentui ke borsoka bakan le ya de bateng ban penkut no yoksai kajing penyai yeu Drok nama ba ki don ki ba he bahan ki bale ikani ke kam.
Drug smugglers are still there and they are trying their level best to increase their business. I agree with the point raised by all other members who have participated that there was a supply change and it is very, very important to stop this supply change of drugs. Sometimes I'm concerned listening to the awareness program that we had when I have the opportunity to listen myself. In the awareness program, instead of creating fear to the youngsters to involve into drugs, it is sometimes like encouraging and giving the awareness to them that they come to know about the goodness of involving into drug business. I am against sometimes to the speaker who spoke in front of the young people, like giving the awareness and telling the fact that how people become so rich overnight and become so rich in a very short time involving in this drugs business. Sir, I think this is the time that we have to educate even our people while giving awareness that we should not talk about making rich by involving in drugs business. I think we also understand as a matured person, we have to take the responsibility. How do we speak to our young people in the programs that we are having? It worries me so many times when I listen to the speech of the person who give the lecture in the awareness program and telling in front of our young boys and girls that how people became so rich and a small quantity of drug, it's involved crores of rupees. And if you do this kind of business, you will be rich. Sir, I think this is very, very important. As legislators and all the officers in the department involving in this fight, we have to be very careful while talking to our young people. I am concerned, sir, to see that some family, they are desperate so much, and sad to hear that there are some parents, they don't have any more hope for their own children. And they tell to people that we will let him drink, let him inject till he die. They don't want to fight anymore. Desperately, they said we will give whatever he wants till he die. It's very sad to know that there are some parents who are facing such kind of problem to their own beloved children. I know even though the government, as I have told from before, that the government is trying its best to fight against drugs menace, against drugs supply, against drug addiction, but we know it is very, very difficult for the government alone. Therefore, I appeal to the community. It is a high time that we all as a community should involve in this fight. As a community, and I request the government, if it is required to amend the law, we should amend the law to enable, to empower the Dorbashno, to empower the headmen, to involve themselves in this fight. We should all fight together. All the traditional bodies has to fight together. Health department has to fight together. And even the Darbashna has to have a place in it to fight together. Only then we can see hope that we will be one day a drug-free state, and we will give hope to the family, to our young people living in this beloved state of Meghalaya.